Hi, today we're gonna make a lemongrass pork chop. We're gonna use about a little bit over a pound of pork chop, around 4 pieces pork chop like that. First, we have to cut up some lemongrass. The lemongrass they look like that, and all you have to do you just peel up the outside, the top area, like that. So you peel all these, the outside kind of dry the skin off, like that. Like that. Yeah, that's it. Then after that, we start cutting them a small piece. Okay, then you just trim them just like that, real fine, real small you can get. Yeah, and that's it. And after that, we're gonna cut it even smaller. Okay, I think that's good enough. Then you put on the side here. And that's the pork we're gonna use. See, like that. So you have a bone in it. So all you have to do, you take the bone out first. See, you got bone here, so you gotta take out. And cut them to 2 pieces. See, too fat, you just trim them out, and you chop them a little bit. And other piece here. And after that, so here we're gonna wash them. Just say, just wash them. So you gotta kind of squeeze them a little bit, get the juice out, you can see the juice coming out from the meat. And we kind of rinse it a little bit. If you have time, you can let it sit for a while so you can drain the water. Then we got most of the water out. Right, then we put in here. So all we have to do is just put some garlic in there. Couple tablespoons of fish sauce. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 1 sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Just sprinkle some black pepper. Then 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And after that, we put 1 oyster sauce in it. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 1 egg. Okay, then we're gonna mix them together. Okay, we're gonna put about 1 lemongrass in it. 1 tablespoon of cut up lemongrass in it. Now then mix them together. And we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of flour. Kind of mix together. Kind of squeeze them to see they can get all the ingredient inside the meat. Okay, and after that, so we're gonna put some oil in it. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the heat high. Turn it high at the beginning. Alright, so we're gonna put some oil in it. So we put the pork in it. See, like that. About 8 to 10 minutes each side. And at the beginning, you turn it high, that real high heat, heat it up. Then you start put this in and you turn it down. So it kind of cook it slowly, so you don't get burned in it. So that's the way to do it. Okay, that we fry this about 10 minutes. Also, we turn this over, see. Yeah, so we're gonna do other 8 to 10 minutes to be okay then. So I'll take about 5-6 minutes right now. So it should be done. We're gonna drain the oil. Alright, 1 tablespoon of garlic and some chopped up onion. And put the lemongrass cut up one in it. So kind of brown them up a little bit. And a little bit of chop up onions. And after that, we're gonna put the 2-3 chopped up tomato in it. And you turn the heat to medium high. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 1 oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And we're going to put some black pepper in. I'm going to put around 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And I'm going to put some cilantro in it, about a handful, and also some onions. And put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, and we're going to put it on the plate. Okay, this is lemongrass pork chop.